Hi, Mr. X with Glossary Term Law of Sines. Nice little relationship between the angles and sides of any triangle. Works out beautifully. Before we do the law of sines, you have to know the convention though. Capital letters and small case letters. We start off with A, B, and C at the vertices of our triangle. So this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C with capital letters. The small letters are opposite the angle. In other words, the length of side BC, we're going to call A. Small case C is the length of line segment AB, and small case B is the length of line segment AC. We use this convention, and it's very convenient. Now here's the law of sines. Here it is, very straightforward. How easy is this? The sine of angle A divided by the length of side A is equal to the sine of angle B divided by the length of side B, and that's equal to the sine of angle C divided by the length of side C. There's almost no way to screw this up. About the only potential hazard is a capital C looks like a small c. So I always try to make a point of writing my small c smaller than my capital C. But other than that, you really can't go wrong. Wait a second. How do we know that the sine of the angle goes on top and the length of the side goes in the denominator? How are we going to remember that? Well, here's the good news. You don't have to. There's a very nice principle in math that says if x equals y, let's use x and y, then 1 over x equals 1 over y. If two numbers are equal, then their reciprocals are equal. So we can remember it like this. A over sine A equals B over sine B equals little c over the sine of big C. As long as you write them consistently, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with the law of sines. Now remember, don't mix these up. You have to pick one or the other. You can't use both. Don't use both, because each of these is a number. You'll get a constant ratio over here. Whatever number you get here for this value, it's going to be the reciprocal of what you get over here. So don't mix them up. Just pick one convention and go with it. You can have the sine of your angle on top, and you'll get it one way. Or you can have the sine of your angle on the bottom, and you can get the reciprocal number. Pick one or the other, and then you can't go wrong. Mr. X takes the mystery out of math at MrXmath.com.